Hi viewers, welcome to Excel Tutorial Hub. In this video, you will learn about how to create an expiry date calculator in Excel. So here we have already created a table with the name of few products, their manufacturing date, expire after months, and we need to find out the expiry date. To find out the expiry date of first product, we need to type here is equal to, type eDate, open parenthesis, click on manufacturing date, press comma, now click on months. So the first product is about to expire in 13 months. So we need to click on 13 and now close parenthesis and press enter. So you can see that I have found the first product expiry date. Now I will drag it down. So like this, I found the expiry date of all products. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful in any way, like this video and subscribe Excel Tutorial Hub for more videos about Excel.